welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please make sure to push that subscribe button. It is early in the morning and I look like a freaking nappy bird. I look beat up, man. But guess what, guys? I got a new car. You guys ready to see it? Ta-da! New car. Just kidding, guys. It is not my car. So we are here picking up the E46 because we're gonna go to the track tomorrow. It looks pretty meh if you ask me. Apart from the wheels being mismatched, it looks pretty cool. We have a random dog here. Look at guys. Oh my gosh, there's no back seats for the weight reduction. It's only a 2-door, man. No 4-door. As you guys know, 4 doors, more horse. But it's only a 2-door this time. They're also gonna be taking the Corvette. I took a video on it with my phone because I didn't have my camera. It's getting an alignment. He is testing out his Oh my gosh, that was cool. My finger fits in here. Not too bad of a fitment, man. Not too bad. I actually like it. Look at this one over here. Ooh. And it has no rub, man. This is perfect. That is very nice. I cannot wait to drift this at the track tomorrow. If I'm being completely honest, guys, I've actually never driven a car with the hydro in there. So let me go ahead and show you. I've never driven a car with this. I heard that it makes it so much easier to drive when you have the hydro. I'm pretty excited to be driving the E46 because, as you guys know, my first car ever was an E30 Beamer. So I'm a Beamer girl at heart. Forever. Beamer gang till I die. This is actually pretty amazing because I feel like it takes me back to my roots. Beamer gang, man. I think he's angry, guys. He's an angry bird. He's giving the evil stare. Oh my god. The disrespect, guys. That's it. I'm doing the same thing. Let me show you guys my new dance move. You have to push X to join.
Oh, and it goes like this.
Oh my god. Oh my god. If you insist. Gossiping. She's a gossip girl. Gossip girl. No, gossip girls. Can't tell that gossip girl. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, this is so weird because, oh my gosh, I can't even drive it. Oh my god, I can't even drive it. Oh my gosh, I'm driving so horrible. I'm not used to this. I hope I don't stall. I'm a little nervous. I was told before I drove this car though that this car is prone to hydro, so I might hydroplane in here. This is so cool. I can't wait to try this out. Who knows, I might just have to get one for Nelson. I probably should not be doing this. I want to try out this hydro before the day ends. Stupid car. There's a freaking car coming by. I was trying to use the hydro, you know, just to test it out for the kids, you know, make sure that they're safe before they do it. So I'ma do it, you know, so they don't get hurt. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys think I should get a Beamer, comment down below the German flag, man. You already know the vibe. Should Chuuuki get a drift Beamer, man? Because I have been wanting a drift car. I'm gonna be taking this little bad boy to the track, guys. And I'm a little nervous because, you know, when you drive someone else's car, it obviously feels a little different. Hopefully we make it safe and sound, guys. Please ignore my hair. I just woke up. Give me a break. Gonna learn how to drive sticks. She's never driven it before. Which one is the brake? Stop
Is it not?
Yeah, it is. It is. Pass the first test. Now don't blow the engine. I guess a lot of you will be drifting the Beamers because I saw another one. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess Beamers are a very popular car to drift, man. It's a sign. Let's go see how well they do. No se van a tumbar. Butter is ready.
Yes, ready.
She has a Facebook Live.
Quítate! Quítate, ma.
They're gonna tandem, so. Okay, okay. Trying to hear the turbo, guys. Maybe we could hear it. Ooh, that sounds nice. That sounds nice. She looks kind of cute. She looks like a little egghead. Ah, tu cabecita se mira como un huevito. Baila, Pelín. Dele, Pelín. I'm gonna teach this woman how to drive. Never driven before, so as you guys know, I'm a professional teacher. I'm gonna teach you how to drive, and I'm the best teacher ever, so you're welcome. Step 1 first, so you just go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, and you're done. We got a car girl. Rari raw. Oh my gosh! Oh, so I'm gonna slide this E46. I'm a little nervous, honestly. I did it the other day a little bit, but not the same, man. We have a nice pavement here. Oh my gosh! I put it on backward. I've been wanting to learn the 8 for the longest time ever, so hopefully this is my chance. Remember, but a few months back I actually taught Dre how to drive, and now I'm teaching him how to do donuts, so it's a pretty good progress, man. Let's see how he does. You remember when he was first learning out? Now look at him go, so inspirational. So basically the goal is for Jay to do some good consistent donuts. I did one, but we didn't catch it on camera, so it didn't really happen. Yeah, Jay will try to do the donuts and I'll try to do an 8. And we'll try as soon as they're done. Look at him go.
Almost. Oh yeah, she got it. She's trying to do 8. Oh, she got it! Oh, she got it!
Alright guys, here he goes. Oh, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! That was pretty good. Okay, for him not knowing how to do it at all, guys, I think I did a good job, man. Again. That was really good. Like, it looked good, except for the last one, but it was good. So basically what I taught him to do is just pop the crust. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Oh, that was crazy good, guys. I think that's the best one. That one was the best one. Mission accomplished, guys. My goal was to have him do a good donut, and to me that was pretty good. Look how beautiful. It's a gem. Now I would like one of these. Alright guys, this is pretty much the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to comment the emoji of the day, which is gonna be the German flag. I'll be responding back to every single one of you guys with the RO signifying a real one. And if you guys have your post notifications on and you're the first to comment, you already know the vibe. You get a shout out at the end of my video. Post notification shout out goes out to, drumroll please, Andres Abron. Thank you so much for having your post notifications on. I'm so happy that I didn't freaking crash their car because it was raining that day and it was my first time ever using a hydro e-brake, and honestly I was so close in hitting the curb, like straightening out and about to hit the curb, but luckily I didn't and we are safe and sound. Baba! Baba, come back! Baba! Come here! Baba! Baba! Come on!